foodies, welcome back to my kitchen where the culinary adventures never stop, even when I'm not feeling my best. Ever felt like a mashed potato that's just been mashed one too many times? Well, that's me today. But before we dive into this delicious chaos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, as I'm not on my A game, but the family dinner must go on. You know, I had this brilliant idea that I was going to cook this pot roast in the oven bag. It's been cooking for 2 hours, 2 whole hours, and I really still see that it's still tough. Well, let me tell you, the oven bag had other plans. I didn't flour the bag like I was supposed to, which would have prevented the bag from bursting. So as you can see, in life, sometimes you gotta improvise. So I just freed the roast from this plastic prison, tossed it in the pan, covered it with some foil, poked some holes in it, just like it owed me money so the steam could escape. Now trust me, it may not look like much now, but they say beauty is in the eye of the roaster holder. I added me a little potatoes in there once I had emptied out everything in this pan. So I'm gonna add a little bit more potatoes and put it back in the oven, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Trust the process. Oh, the moment of truth. Dinner was served, and let me tell you, it was perfection on a plate. The beef pot roast was tender, and the mashed potato and gravy was creamy dream, and the asparagus with bacon was like a crunch of symphony. Remember, even on your mashed potatoes days, you can still whip up a feast fit for royalty. Thank you for watching.